Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, you are going to learn that how you can create an account on Deepseek AI Assistant. In the second part, we will discuss some of the features of this application. So to begin with, you need to go to the Play Store or App Store of your device, and from there you need to search Deepseek AI Assistant. Once you find the application, you need to download and install that application on your device. Once you're done, all you need to do is to tap on open the application. Once you open it, it will ask you welcome to Deepseek. You need to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. You need to tap on that. If you already have an account, you can enter the email or phone number that you use and then the password and logged in. But if you want to sign up, as we want to create an account, tap on sign up. It will bring you here. You need to enter your email, password, confirm the password, and then you need to tap on send code, and they will send a code to the email that you provided. You need to enter the code here, then check this part and then sign up account. Or the easy thing that you can do is sign in with the Google account. Once you tap on that, you need to tap on agree, and it will take a bit of time. Choose an account. So if you have multiple accounts, as you can see, I have multiple accounts on this device. So you need to choose the account that you want to continue with. So I will select this one in this case. And as you can see, now I'm into this application. This is the first interface that you will see. If I tap on the two lines here you will find the chats that the existing chats that you have, but I'm just signing into my account, so there are nothing. And if I tap on the plus sign here, you can actually use your camera to capture something and ask this AI assistant, or you can use any image from the gallery of the phone. You can use a document as well to ask a prompt about that document, and this AI tool will actually reply to you about that. So to begin with, I will ask this assistant about a question, like any question that I will ask, and then I will show you that what is the time of response of this AI tool. So guys, I asked this question, how many galaxies are out there? So if I send it, and let's see, the response is quite quick. If you compare it to ChatGPT, and here they say the exact number of galaxies in the universe is not known, but estimates suggest there are between 100 billion and 200 billion galaxies. So guys, this is one thing. Let me ask another thing, and using the Deepseek, let's see what it does. So guys, now I enter a prompt, what galaxy, planet Earth in, and then I will choose the Deepseek and let's send it. Let's see what it does. So as you can see, it is thinking. So first it is reasoning with itself about the topic. So guys, look at here, thought for 14 seconds. Okay, the user asked what galaxy, planet Earth in. So let me start by correcting the grammar. It should be what galaxy is planet Earth in, but I need to answer clearly. So here, first, Earth is in the Milky Way galaxy. They might be confused galaxy with solar system, so I should clarify the structure. It is reasoning with itself. Also include some interesting facts about the Milky Way size and shape. This is really amazing that to witness all these things when the application is reasoning with itself first. Wait, the user might have follow-up question about how we know this or other galaxy, but sticking to the main question is better. Keep it concise but thorough. So as you can see, this is the answer: structure, solar system, location, size, and everything it explains. This is quite amazing. So guys, now one more amazing thing that I find in this application is if you tap on the plus sign and you tap on the image, it will access to your gallery. And here, as you can see, there is a coffee shop here in Thailand. So if I select this one, it is just the name of that coffee shop. And then I add this one and I ask, where is this place? and then I send it. So there is the deep thinking on. You can remove that if you want. So guys, it come up with an answer. The image mentioned We Story Cafe and Bistro in Khao Me Khao, which suggests that the place is likely located in Khao Me Khao, a district in Thailand. However, without more specific information or context, I cannot provide the exact location of the cafe. If you have additional details or a specific address, I can help narrow it down further. So at least let's say it is in Thailand and this is the district where I'm living nearby. So I can confirm that this answer is 100% correct. But if you search any place with an image and you need to provide a bit more information, so it will come up with the exact answer, which is also a very cool thing in this AI assistant. So guys, if you want to ask any other prompt and you want to search it on the web as well, like something which you want to collect the data from the internet as well, so you can enable this option and then enter the prompt and it will give you the answer based on the search it done on the internet as well. And if you want to start a new chat, all you need to do is to tap on this plus sign and it will start a new chat and you can go back to the old chats from here. So guys, download this AI tool on your devices and use it, and tell me in the comment section that how you find this AI tool from the other tools that you're using. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.